Ray gotta be above.
Need that.
Hey guys, so today we are having a beach day and we're picking up our nephew and our niece. Look at how you looking right now. He looking no, that's terrible. He's a gamer and he don't even like to be outside, but you know what, we're getting him today and we're going outside. So we picking up the rest of the family. We got Portia here.
What's up?
Hey. We got my son.
What's up, bro?
Hey Kai.
Hey.
Hey, hey. All right, we on our way.
Damon.
Okay, so I had to come back on and show y'all what my nephew looking like right now. Like how pissed he is. Damien, you're gonna have a good day, okay? Y'all ready to have some fun?
Yeah.
Oh, that was real still. Let's try this again. Are we ready to have some fun, yes or no?
Yes!
Okay, y'all, so we actually made it to the beach. And we gotta find where we gonna go. Where they at? DJ.
Come on. DJ, what are you doing?
DJ gonna get left. That's what he gonna get. I'm gonna throw my hat on. Excuse me, baby girl.
Oh, I'm done. I'm so glad we got that shit.
Portia.
So,
Yo.
hey y'all. They already
Got Damien in back, got Bay.
What's going on? What's going on?
All right, I'm about to turn this camera around so y'all can see my view.
Hey, got shoes on.
Most definitely.
Yeah. Where are we gonna go? This house. Mom.
How does the water feel?
Good.
It feel good? It feel what?
Huh?
Water.
It feel wet, of course.
The water.
The water not gonna be dry.
Hey, all my little money I got, man. I'm going to buy me a hot dog soon.
Always thinking about food. So Damien, now that you out the house, how does it feel?
A good feeling.
Do you feel alive? Yeah.
Good fresh air.
He feel alive. He think he's slick. Well, he moved just because we got kids. Ooh, new kids. Where's the new kids? Move around. Get on. So DJ, you want to be Barry, huh?
Yeah.
Kai, help Deja bury DJ. Use your bucket, Kai. Hurry up to make it quicker. DJ, and what are your reasons of wanting to be buried? Oh, he got that. What is that on your nose? Wipe your.
He got booger.
DJ, that's just disgusting. Oh, that's just nasty, DJ. You nasty. Just nasty. Ladies, y'all are working awfully slow. Awfully slow. Bury your cousin. That's what he wish.
I'm trying to put a lot of sand.
Not in his hair. Not in his hair.
One eternity later.
Alright, stick a fork in him because he's done.
Okay, DJ.
Don't move yet. Don't. Oh. He just. He ashy as ever. Let me take a picture of you, DJ.
Go in the water. Yeah, you can.
No, wait.
No, DJ.
He just messed it all up.
DJ, not yet. Come back. Push it into that picture. I'm going to do it again.
Ain't nobody finna do you again. You messed it up.
I'm going next. Okay.
Kai next. Lay right there, Kai.
Right here.
Yep.
That's a big pile.
Kai, how does it feel to be buried?
It feels very heavy on
It feels what?
Heavy.
Heavy?
They take forever.
Meanwhile,
What's on it? This is ridiculous. Bay disappeared. Bay disappeared and got a $15 nacho. All right, and it's time to eat. Bay,
I don't want none.
you a blessing, Bay.
I know that. Come on, let's go.
Come on, let's see.
Florida right now, Rita.
Sis, let me.
We're in Florida.
She lying like a mug. Porch, let me see what you looking like. You looking cute. Got the green dress going on. Okay. Green nails. Oh, okay. All right, now back to this nacho.
Hold on.
Oh, bro.
Let's get into it.
We're touching shit.
Okay, so I hope y'all can see me. But y'all, it's time to get down. We about to eat this nacho, all of us together.
Bro, we're in Florida.
Bae, ain't that right?
Huh?
Bae, ain't that right?
What you finna eat?
We finna eat that nacho, period. So I managed to get the nachos, right? And I was thinking. Hold on.
Don't play on
Damien, are you mad? Cut it out.
Damien, like I gotta get him back.
Oh my gosh, here we go. Here we go.
Oh, DJ,
How far you can make your legs go down.
At least somebody got him up and playing. He want to get him back so bad. DJ like, I'm ready already. I don't care.
He up though.
Right. Now you finally wet, Damien. Ha. Ha 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 ha. That's what you get.
He good.
He ready to get him again. There you go, his revenge.
DJ got him going. Get him back, DJ. Get him back.
Okay.
Start with
So back to what I was saying, right? So I managed to get Calvin's nachos, right? And I was thinking, you know what? I wonder what the audience think. Do y'all think I should do a mukbang?
Bruh.
Maybe not that shot, but
You know what works really good?
do y'all think I should do a
She's trying to
mukbang?
help. She's trying
Comment
to help
below and
y'all.
let me know, okay?
Listen to her, y'all.
And what kind of mukbang, all right? Be specific. I need y'all to interact with me, all right?
No, that's
Comment below.
what's up. The tide days. If y'all, okay, this is what I want y'all to do. If y'all dig a big old hole, I'm gonna get inside it, and y'all can bury it. Y'all gotta start digging a hole right there.
All right, y'all, go dig a hole.
Well, and we went to the
Okay, so
the Lincoln
they
Zoo.
digging the hole, y'all,
So today's been
for Calvin to get his crazy stuff
today's been
in there.
somewhat free.
No, the grown up.
Okay, so y'all, reporting live. We are literally here at the beach, and Calvin really serious about this getting buried thing. He's really serious, y'all.
Okay.
Calvin,
What?
how does it feel? I'm going to, don't get his face. Luke, get over that way. What you mean why? Get over that way.
You know what?
Okay.
Come on, keep filling me up, y'all. Come on.
How does it feel?
if you could get out this
You know what? My body is really relaxing. It's real heavy, girl. Come on, keep going. There you go. Good job, guys.
We even got innocent bystanders that want to help and bury him. Ready? Okay, so he's choosing to get up out of there.
My face. DJ, watch out. It's gonna get on your face.
Watch out, DJ.
All right, so he's about to break out. Show us what you got, babe. Get these toes. I am not.
Huh?
I am not getting in. These legs getting wet. That's it. That's all.
Legs only getting wet.
Yup, that's it. That's all.
Girl, you gotta come on.
No. This is it, y'all. I gotta go somewhere to get this sand off my feet. Hold on.
Are you sure I can't hold the towel down?
There we go. Trying to figure out a place where we can wash our feet, and then we up out of here. Deja, DJ, Kai, did y'all have a good time? Oh, excuse me, Damien.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I never been to a beach.
you liked it? That's good. That's good. Okay, we finally got a place where we can wash this sand off our dogs. Yeah. Okay, y'all, we are done. The beach day is over with. Sis, did you enjoy yourself?
It's I.
Okay, so this is the end of our beach day. We had a good time. Everybody had a good time. Y'all, comment below and let me know if you ever been to any beaches in Chicago. This was North Avenue Beach. We enjoyed ourselves. It's been a long day. We out.